Hello everyone, this is day 11 of my English speaking journey. Today I am talking about my family, friends and my village. Uh, Living far away from home is not easy. Sometimes I miss my school friends, my family, my village, and those beautiful childhood memories. I miss the laughter and the familiar streets and the comfort of being with the people I love. There are days when loneliness feel heavy, but I remind myself why I started the journey. Every challenge I face today, it's helping my childhood give me strength, and the love of my family keeps me moving forward. No matter how far I go, my roots will always stay with me. My village, my friends, my family. You are a part of who I am. I may be away from home, but the lessons, love, and memories will always be with me. Sometimes growth means leaving your comfort zone, but it never means forgetting where you come from. Miles away from home, but my heart still belongs to my roots. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.